Are you tired of hiding your gray hair behind expensive and itchy chemical dyes? What if I told you that the secret to natural black hair isn't in a bottle, but in your kitchen? Today, we are stopping white hair exactly where it starts. At the root, I will show you 5 powerful superfoods that can help restore your natural pigment from the inside out. Stick around, because the last food on my list is a total game changer for anyone over 50. To fix gray hair, we first need to understand why it happens. Inside your hair follicles, there are tiny cells called color-making cells. These cells produce melanin, which is the natural pigment that gives your hair its black color. As we age, especially after 50, these cells can slow down or get damaged by stress. When your body lacks specific minerals, your hair loses its color and turns white. A study published in the International Journal of Trichology confirms that nutritional deficiencies are a leading cause of premature graying. But don't worry, because you can recharge these cells with the right fuel. Before we dive into the first superfood, please take a moment to subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast. Join our community for more natural health secrets to help you age with grace and strength. Now, let's talk about superfood number 1, black sesame seeds. In traditional Chinese medicine, these seeds are famous for restoring kidney health and hair pigment. They are packed with copper and magnesium, which are essential for melanin production. Just 1 tablespoon a day can provide the minerals your hair follicles are starving for. Superfood number 2 is the mighty amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and antioxidants on the planet. Research shows that oxidative stress is a major reason why hair turns white. Amla fights this stress and strengthens the roots to prevent further graying. You can eat it fresh, drink the juice, or even take it as a natural supplement. Adding these 2 to your morning routine is the first step to bringing back your natural color. Moving on to superfood number 3, pumpkin seeds and walnuts. These are not just snacks. They are nutritional powerhouses for your hair. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, which helps your body repair hair tissue. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids that keep your scalp hydrated and healthy. When your scalp is nourished, your hair follicles can function at their best. Next, superfood number 4 is the humble curry leaf. In many cultures, curry leaves have been used for centuries to prevent graying. They contain vitamin B complex and minerals that help restore the hair's natural pigment. You can add them to your cooking or even chew a few leaves every morning on an empty stomach. Now, let's talk about the green power your hair needs. Vegetables like spinach and kale are vital because they are high in folate and iron. A study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology links low iron levels to hair health issues. Iron helps carry oxygen to your hair roots, which keeps the melanin-producing cells alive. But nutrition is only half the battle. We also need to move. Simple daily exercise, like walking or yoga, improves blood circulation throughout the body. Specifically, a simple scalp massage or a gentle forward bend yoga pose can help. These movements direct blood flow straight to your head and hair follicles. Better blood flow means more nutrients reach your roots to fight those white hairs. Now, we come to superfood number 5, the amazing sunflower seeds. These seeds are one of the best natural sources of copper. Copper is the key mineral your body uses to produce melanin pigment. Without enough copper, your hair will turn gray, no matter how many other vitamins you take. A study in the Biological Trace Element Research Journal highlights how copper deficiency leads to loss of hair color. Just a small handful of sunflower seeds daily can make a massive difference. To make this transformation work, we need a simple daily routine. Start your morning with a glass of amla juice or a spoonful of black sesame seeds. Include a large bowl of green leafy vegetables with your lunch. And for your snacks, reach for those pumpkin and sunflower seeds instead of processed food. If you are considering supplements, always choose natural options like wheatgrass. These are packed with chlorophyll, which is often called green blood for your hair roots. However, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement routine. Remember, natural changes take time, and consistency is your best friend. Follow this nutrient-rich plan for at least 3 months to see the real results. You have the power to stop white hair at the root and reclaim your natural glow. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. Thank you for watching the Wellness Path podcast, and I will see you in the next video.